Matterport's reality capture is revolutionizing design and construction management across every project phase throughout global portfolios. It all begins with 3D capture. Our groundbreaking Pro 3 LiDAR camera allows you to create photorealistic 3D digital twins and achieve precise, high-density scanning in record time. And one-click file exports including CAD, BIM, and E57 point clouds enables seamless workflow integration with software you already use like Autodesk and Procore. Instantly sync with your existing platforms to problem solve in real time and collaborate from any device. Matterport's end-to-end solution provides peace of mind as a record of conditions before and after a project is complete. Industry leaders across design and construction management are turning to Matterport to stay on time and on budget from anywhere in the world.